Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by locking the core, who you serve and the one offer you'll push. Once clear, pick the funnel type that matches your goal, lead magnet, tripwire, or direct sale, and sign into a page builder. Make sure to connect an email provider and a payment gateway now so you can test purchases. You want a working loop. As you set fields and headlines, use benefit-driven language and short forms to raise conversions fast. Now you assemble the middle. Design each page for one action and keep CTAs consistent. Once pages exist, wire the order and upsell paths so customers flow logically from offer to checkout to thank you. Then configure automation, set a welcome sequence, cart abandon reminders, and a post-purchase onboarding series. Make sure tracking is enabled with pixels and UTM parameters so you can measure each step. If metrics look off, recheck event firing and URL consistency. You finish by launching and validating every touchpoint. Perform a live purchase, confirm emails land in inboxes, and test mobile flow. Once done, collect baseline conversion rates and run a /B tests on headlines, CTA, price points, and page order to find quick wins. Make iterative changes and prioritize fixes by impact. If something breaks, first verify redirects, form submissions, and payment webhooks. Often a missing webhook or wrong redirect causes lost sales.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.